Hello guys, today we're going to go over wrist 4 modeling. Click Part to start a new sketch, and let's click the XY plane. Now, wrist 4 is a very simple design. However, that doesn't mean that you can't put creative inputs in it. Let's first start out with what's necessary. Let's create a rectangle and another rectangle. That's pretty much it. First of all, let's set the dimensions around 4 inches. Then you want to make this around 2 inches. Now, see how it isn't balanced over here? 4 minus 2 is 2, and you can just divide that to get 1. So this should be 1 inches, and boom, now it's centered. Now, instead of 2 inches, let's try something like 1.5. Now, you can't exactly get the number on top of your head. In this case, just create a new dimension over here, but click on that and click on this. I'll show you what I just did again. After you create your dimension over here, I want you to click on this dimension, click on this white thing, and press a check mark. And boom, you suddenly have it centered. Now, let's set this something as 1 inches, or actually 0.5 inches. And let's set this thickness as 1 inches. And let's draw a circle here as well, since we want an adjustable pin. And let's set this as 0.3 inches. Now, automatically, if you hover it over the middle, the computer automatically snatches it in to middle. So you don't have to worry about that. Click Finish Sketch and just extrude. Now, one important thing is you must only extrude this part and that part. You don't want to extrude this whole as well. You don't want to do that. So when you extrude, click on that part and that part only. And make it something like 0.25 inches. This is sort of the base. Click OK. Now that we have our base, there's some creative liberties you can do. One simple method is just replicating our rectangle over here. You press Finish Sketch, and you extrude this by something around 3 to 4 inches. Let's just put 3 for now. Here's a very basic design you could do for wrist 4. However, there are some creative liberties. Like for example, using the fillet tool over here and making it something like 0.8, where now it's starting to look more like a cylindrical shape. Now, if you do something like 2 inches, you can even make this into a complete semicircle. You could also tone it back down like 1.5 to get something like this. You can also do the same fillet over here to make things look a little bit more stylistic and better. Try to put some creative input into wrist 4 design. I look forward to looking at some of your designs, and good luck modeling.